Yeah, my name is Balazs Banner, and I'm the owner of Banner Construction. You know, time to time we take other jobs, but mostly Banner Construction focuses on interior remodeling, like bathrooms, kitchens, drywall, texture, paint, flooring, electrical, etc. Work with my dad, so we own this company together. Together we have over 40 years of experience in the field. Dad, he owned a construction company since '92 back in Hungary. And then shortly after we moved here in the States in 2016, we started our construction company, Banner Construction, in the Sacramento area. And ever since, we're working hard on making a good reputation for ourselves and to provide that high quality services according to like American standards and European quality. That's kind of our motto. So that's what we're trying to do. While I personally handle the communication in the company, so customers could come to me with any question, concern, whatever is happening regarding the estimate or the project later on. And we also make sure that we're overseeing the projects personally. As a small company, we can afford to do that. So we're there from time to time talking to the customer. Do you like what's going on? You have any concerns, questions? We'll talk through everything like from grout color to tile pattern, if they need a little bit of design decision or help or advice. So we do all of that for them. I would say Diamond Certified is our most prestigious certificate that we hold. They know that those qualities that they see in reviews, those actually backed up by a third-party market research as well, not just coming from our mouth. Say it's high quality, fair prices, and then reliability, communication is what really differentiates us from even the other high quality construction companies, and it's American standards, European quality.